Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Government starts cash distribution among 7 million deserving families from today. Prime Minister Imran Khan has said that the federal government is going to start cash distribution among 7 million deserving families from today under the second phase of Ehsaas Kafalat program. CTD recommends JIT to interrogate terrorist nabbed in Karachi. The Counter-Terrorism Department has recommended from a joining interrogation team to interrogate the terrorist, including a foreigner who had been arrested from Karachi's Shah Latif town 2 days ago. First KCR regular train from city to Orangi station ran today. Train of Karachi Circular Railway has successfully run from Karachi city to Orangi railway station. Burglars loot 9 mm guns, cash from arms repair shop. Unknown burglars looted arms and cash from a weapon repair workshop in Clifton. Police fired tear gas at government employees protesting for pay rise. Police fired tear gas at government employees protesting for pay raise at Islamabad's D Chowk. 10 seeks time to file charge sheet in Osama murder case. An anti-terrorism court extended the judicial remand of 5 arrested policemen in the Osama Seti murder case for 14 days. Health professionals decide to go on strike from 15th February. The Grand Health Alliance Sindh chapter has announced to go on strike from 15th February after raising demands for making health risk allowance, permanent recruitment of nurses and others. Professor's reaction after mute online class for 2 hours goes viral. Professor accidentally gave her entire online lecture on mute for 2 hours talking to himself, highlighting how teachers and students are still unable to option for the online education system, which has become mandatory owing to COVID-19 pandemic. Apple iPhone 12 mini sales slow. Apple's iPhone 12 mini US sales were just 5% of overall sales of its new phones during, provider Counterpoint said, adding to signs of muted demand for the new smaller version of its flagship device. Cow uses unique trick to unbolt door for escaping cattle pen. An animal technician filmed the escape trick of clever cow while unbolting the door by using just her tongue to escape cattle pen. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it, and also follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.